All right, so for our next trick, let's say you're out on the water. Oh no, I wasn't paying attention and I ran out of power. What am I gonna do? I guess it's time to break out the paddle. Not today. What if we had a backup? So now some of the people in the comments have been asking, is this possible? I don't know, let's find out. Right here we have a 5 amp hour DeWalt 20 volt. We're gonna snap it onto an Amazon purchased adapter, and we are going to see how far we can drive with the DeWalt battery. Let's go. Okay, so power switch on. It says we're charged. This is a used battery, but you know, we'll see. I think this is probably a fair representation. If you just grabbed one out of the garage, like, what could I get out of that? All right, let's get this thing lined up here. We'll take it nice and easy. We'll probably speed we want to get here. All right, you can see we're running into the wind here. I know we probably got a 5 to 7 mile an hour wind here heading into the wind. We're doing, 2.6, 2.7 into the wind right now. Again, we're running on a DeWalt battery, so we'll see what we get. I mean, this is a normal day for us. I mean, I don't know about you, but it feels good to get out of the shop, to be honest. We've been grinding hard. It's nice to get out and do something funny for us. Feels like it's been a month. We're right about 2.7 into the wind. No, I was just noticing there's actually a couple of mount holes on this thing. You could actually take this and just mount it right on the outside of the box. You can just snap it in. All right, I'll tell you. 2.7, we're not flying. It's not fast, but it beats the heck out of paddling. And if all I have to do is just, have this guy in my pocket, it's pretty awesome. That is a lot of seagulls. Holy cow, that is a lot of seagulls. Look at that. All right, 13 minutes, half a mile. Yeah, we're averaging like 2.3 miles per hour, and we're drawing right about exactly 100 watts. So yeah, so if we have a 20 volt battery, 5 amp hours, volts times amps would be 100 watt hours. So we should be able to maintain this speed for 1 hour. Give us about 2.5 miles theoretical range. Oh, there's a mile. I have no idea what the cutoff on this battery is though, so don't really know where we are as far as capacity used, but still cruising along, 2.2. Little into the wind still. Coming up on 1.5 miles, still cruising right along. Slowed it down a little bit. We're running between 1.3, 1.5 miles an hour. We are currently drawing right around 30 watts, which is wild. I mean, obviously this is pretty slow, but still at 30 watts, that's something like on a 36, 50 amp hour battery, that'd be like 40 hours of run time. So the battery, we ran this to dead at 2.5, turned it off, turned it back on, and now we're running at 1.5, and we're gonna see how far we can stretch out the bottom end of this battery. So we'll see what we get. All right, so there's a result. We were going into the wind, about a 5 to 7 mile an hour wind for about half of that. There's also a slight current that we were going against the whole way. And with a 100 watt hour battery, we made it 1.51 miles in 41 minutes. So we averaged right about 2.2 and 2.5 throughout there, but that is pretty amazing when you consider this battery fits in my pocket. I can fit 1.5 miles at least of range, and if you go slower, obviously you could stretch it even more than that, but that's pretty amazing. I mean, there's some weird days at work here, but it's always fun when we get to try out something new and weird that no one thought to do, and man, what a result that is. So if you're concerned about range, having an extra 1.5 miles of battery power in your back pocket, literally in your pocket, pretty awesome, guys. So yeah, we'll repeat the test and make sure, and we'll do a couple more tests of different batteries. This is also not a brand new battery, so who knows what the actual wattage was on this, but pretty awesome.